Hi guys, Dr. Ashley here, and as you know, we see miracles every day here at Prince Health and Wellness. Well, I have one of my new patients. This is Kevin. Kevin came from
Montgomery, Texas.
Oh, he came so far, just about 30 minutes away.
Yeah.
So how long have you not had your smell?
Since 2018.
2018, and are you a COVID person?
I did not that I know of.
So what do you think is causing
allergies, chronic allergies. Yeah.
So allergies. Guys, we've seen everybody from head injuries to aneurysms to strokes to COVID and now allergies. So I just adjusted him maybe about 5 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna test him. Okay, so this is a much stronger, this is a pretty strong scent, but maybe you can go like this.
Yeah, there's something there.
Would you normally be able to smell that?
Maybe.
Can you detect what it is? Well, because you haven't 6 years about you haven't. Okay, let me do a lighter scent. Tell me if you can smell this. It's very light, very light. I mean, I can barely smell it.
It's coffee.
Okay, so you do smell that.
I do smell that.
Have you been able to smell coffee recently or?
No, I definitely haven't been able to smell coffee.
Okay, and you're not acting. He's a professional actor, guys, and you're not acting.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
No, yeah, there's definitely more. There's more smell there than normal. Yeah.
All right.
There's definitely something there.
Okay. Well, guys, if you're struggling with taste or smell issues, you need to come see us. We want to help you. Even if it's allergies, don't wait, because the longer you wait, the more pressure it's putting on your nerve, and eventually that nerve could die and it could be too late. So come see us. God bless you.